In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to capture a full-size screenshot of a web page using Google Chrome. Capturing full-page screenshots is a simple and effective skill, especially when you need to save entire articles, web designs, or any online content for reference or sharing. With just a few clicks, you can master this technique without needing any third-party extensions or software. Let's get started. First, you'll want to ensure you have Google Chrome opened on your computer. If it's not already open, take a moment to launch it. Once you're in, navigate to the specific web page that you wish to capture. It could be any page, perhaps an informative article, a creative design, or maybe some intriguing data. The idea is to have the whole web page in one image, which is immensely helpful for those engaging in research or web design discussions. Next, on the page you want to capture, use your mouse to right-click anywhere on the blank space of the web page. This action will bring up a context menu from which you should select the Inspect option. By choosing this, you'll open the Developer Tools panel on the side of your screen. This tool is primarily used for inspecting a page's source code, but it also houses the necessary features we need for today's task. Now, here's where the magic happens. To access the command menu, you have to press the keys Ctrl plus Shift plus P simultaneously if you're on a Windows machine. A neat trick for those who love keyboard shortcuts. If you're on a Mac, you might use Command plus Shift plus P instead. This command instantly reveals a search bar at the top of the Developer Tools panel, sort of like a search engine within Chrome's Developer Tools. In this search bar that appears, type the word screenshot. Be attentive here as this step lists several screenshot options. You want to look for the option labeled Capture Full-Size Screenshot. Selecting this option tells Chrome to create a full-length image of the current web page, capturing everything from the top to the bottom. Once selected, Chrome will handle the rest automatically. The browser creates the full-size screenshot and saves it directly to your computer's Downloads folder. This is handy because it keeps your files in one designated area, making it easy to find them later. Go ahead and check your Downloads folder to ensure your full page screenshot is there and admire your work. And that's it. You've just learned how to effortlessly capture a full-size web page screenshot using Google Chrome's built-in tools. Don't hesitate to use this trick whenever you need to document web content or collaborate with peers. I hope you found this guide helpful and straightforward. Be sure to subscribe for more handy tech tips, and as always, happy browsing!